Hi everyone and welcome back to Fiber by Nature, and today I'm unboxing my new loom. So this is actually not my first loom. I actually have a Harrisville Easy Weaver rigid heddle loom that I've had since I was 7 years old. So this one has been with me for a long time. So it's very special to me. But I wanted one that can weave wider and sort of more complex patterns. So this only has 2 shafts, but you can buy 2 extra shafts to put on it. But I just have those 2 shafts for now to start out, and then once I progress, I'll get the 2 other shafts. So if you remember, I unboxed the warping stuff to make the warp, which is the vertical threads that go on the loom directly. So this is the warping pegs that you set up on the table. I'll show you this process in another video because I'm going to do a warping video and / weaving video soon. So I'm going to put this away and we can get started. So I'm just going to cut the ends. Almost done. Okay. Yeah, that's all I tape. So, I never get how to open these boxes. It's like stiff cardboard, so it's hard to, it's not like normal cardboard, so you kind of have to actually pull. So I'm gonna cut it here. Okay, so I had to have my mom cut it for me. So now we can get to the unboxing part. There's a lot of cardboard in here. So this is a Louet Erica. It's a fairly small loom. I will link to this loom in the description as well as my rigid heddle loom if you want to check that out. Okay, so here is one of the side pieces. These are separating sticks for when you put the warp on. This is the other side part. So this is the part that goes onto the beater, which you'll see later. Here are the, I don't know what you call these. I don't know, but they're like wire, they're steel rods that help you manage the warp. They're really heavy. This, I think, is just an extra piece of wood. This is the reed, so this is what beats down the threads. These are the assembly instructions. There's nothing else in the box, so I'm gonna put this down here. And I'm going to open these 2 boxes. I'm gonna have to have my mom open these again. 1 sec. Okay, so these are the Texlove heddles. So they come in little bundles like these. So let me pull one out. So this is where you feed the yarn through, right here. sure what this is for. I'm pretty sure I'll find out later. These are just the cogs and gears that help crank the yarn off and on the two beams at the front and the back. Here are the two toggles that raise and lower the two heddles. This and this are rattles, are part of a rattle. So basically they all go like this. So basically this is what lets you separate the yarn into different groups so that when you're winding on, they're not all over the place. It comes with extra tools. So here's a wrench. These are just little pegs. Then there are a million different pulleys to put on the onto the loom so that everything runs smoothly. And then here are two more beams. Yeah. 1 and 2. So these are to screw things together. Okay, so that's everything. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all together off camera, and then I'll be back when I have it finished. And see you soon. Bye. Okay, so it is now like 2 days after. This was it was a 1.5 day project, but then I never got to doing the video yesterday because it was really gloomy. But here it is, in all its glory. I finished putting all the pieces together with my dad. He helped me. So I'm gonna explain the parts and yeah. Okay, so this is the beater right here. So after you throw your shuttle, you pull this towards you to beat down the threads. And this, while you're warping, this is what you tie your warp threads to. And then to crank it up, you turn this, and then you lock that. And then on the other side, to let out more warp, you open this up, then you let out a bit more of the warp, then you lock it, and then it doesn't pull. And this are the two toggles, and then these two are the shafts. So this is the shafts or harnesses, and then these are the string heddles. So you would thread a thread through here, and then you thread through the beater, and then these toggles lift one of the shafts. This one lifts the back one, and then this one lifts the front one, and you would alternate each pick or row. You would alternate. So change the shed, which is the space that in between the threads. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open a shed, then you're gonna throw your shuttle, put that down. Okay, you're gonna leave it open, then you're gonna change it, and then throw your again. And then this right here is the rattle. So I've already put together this warp, which I'll show you the entire process of putting it on in another video. But basically, the rattle helps spread out the threads. So you would place whatever number of threads you need to in here. I still need to do the calculations because there's a special way you figure out how many of these to put in the rattle. And then this string, which I've here. So this string, when in the warping, during putting on the loom, the warp on the loom, you would have 2 sticks here that would hold the cross, which is right here. So there's a cross in the threads, so figure 8. And basically you would put 2 sticks in, and then this Texlove cord will hold the 2 sticks. So that helps separate the threads. So yeah, this is my Louet Erica. Again, I'll link this loom in the description and the my rigid head loom if you want to check one of those out. And I'll see you soon. Bye.